Yes. I not put water for mouth, stay talking. For this old media, the presenter for woman wear dress pass na Quirita. If you say at the line, oh yeah, picture where you don't take dress, not be native, not be that lace where they so come for Nigeria. Make I see the shoe where you wear for leg. Let me see your jeans. May I see shirt where you wear put, or if not trouser you wear, if not jeans, so let me see your dressing. Post the picture. Post the picture. Make I go bring Quirita dressing. Where she wear not too high with jeans or with pants, trouser, with top. Make you see her. So Quirita, they dress. Some other people feel still they always see the dress. Another, I know you don't want to say because they could and dress fast. Say the dress not sabi dress. No, the dress sabi dress. They dress. Everybody they dress in their own way. But Quirita always dress classic. If she want gear, she the gear. Even the way Quirita take the dress, Monica not sabi dress like that. No, beside they talk and say this. Monica not sabi dress like that. Monica not sabi dress like that. Abuna don't see Monica wear jeans, wear trousers once with a shoe way not too high. No be like that Felicia oh no. No be Felicia on where be say Felicia go they put 44 inches for leg. I don't know where they go. Una they get me so. So automatically if Esther come out want to say Europe women not sabi, she was not talking to Quirita. She was not talking to me. She was not talking to me. But she was talking to our old ladies who don't date this Europe. Old parents, people where get children. I see some girls where they come out they tell say there's nothing wrong if Esther talk because your man not dey Europe. Now make you not go see anything wrong because you yourself you know say you the gear, you the dress, and your man not dey Europe. So you go just feel say nothing wrong with what but you forget say there are some children of your age where be say their mama don't date this Europe for years. You understand? Their mama don't take for this Europe. Now their mama Esther they talk to. Esther know what she they talk. Now their mama now Esther they talk to. You don't get any pikin where they born here, where mama dey here, where we can go support that thing, say, Europe people, Esther talk, it not mean anything. You know they because all of them they verse. All of them they verse. Why? Because now them Esther they talk to their mama. Because those are the women where don't come up for us for years. Those are the women where don't come up for us for a very long time. Those are the women where be say because they quick come up for us, they're not too into fashion. Even if they go even sabi dress and not sabi, who use and send Esther message for una to tell her the truth because of say una like person. This is the problem I have with you. Thanks for joining, my lady Monica Obolo. Thanks for joining. This is the problem I have with some of you. As far as say the thing now not concern una, the thing not affect una, the thing now not concern una children, the thing now not concern una husband, una not go see anything wrong with them. But let's assume say now una mama Esther talk to so. Who go the tear singlet, go the tear singlet. Who go they use their nakwa, go they use their nakwa. But now forget say, now people, parents, now Esther talk to. Now only Esther be musician where they come this Europe. Musician be coming to this Europe for a very long time. Even before I was even born. Musicians don't they come Europe come play. Why they not talk all those things? Why we not hear from their mouth say, hey, now so Europe people they not sabi dress so. Because if Esther come Europe for winter. Winter where they say everybody they wear jackets, they cover their body. Winter where everybody they wear jackets, they cover their body. Esther go come see man they tell say, why I go dress. Me no see dress where she they do because all those even the trousers, those rugged jeans where she they wear all those rugged jeans. She supposed to say she they see road. She foresee and now say rugged jeans not the market again. Rugged jeans not the market again. Jeans where people they wear now. Jeans where babes they wear now. Jeans where people they go market, go they buy now. They are all either boyfriend jean or this combat, that big one, or this what they call the other one. No, you get the ones where beside the wear. You understand? You even though you want to buy for Nigeria, you buy jeans 70,000, 50,000 for one. That rugged jeans where Esther they wear. So she knows for my backyard they sell her. It she knows for my backyard how much? 10 euro, 10 euro, 15 euro. For all those jeans, now those one be the dressing where she said she did dress. Now those one be the dressing where she said, me no say now people like Felicia, now Esther look talk say Euro people not sabi dress. Because see Felicia that day now. The pay where they say Felicia and the bitter truth when I tell her say, the birthday where you go, that was why she ended up with ambulance. They called ambulance for her at the end. At the end, my people, Felicia mamio we yaje. Or mamio we yaje party. Where she can't she said party working because of hard knocking. And when I know say According to people, they say who get fibroid, if he dey knack, he go dey pay now. That was why I know that Felicia had fibroid. The pain was so massive because the way she take ready come to come mark bola, no be small thing. Now they knack her nonsense. They knack her nonsense now. If fibroid now do day, fibroid now they work way. Then she take go end up for hospital. My people, how can a person live? I bet you work here key. Who we working re I take boss your work kwa? Because how you go come up for your city like this? Go. You come up for your country, go another country entirely go collapse under the difference of almost 24 hours. Now be say if you can't go Germany, go spend 1 month. Ambulance go they stay on our site. That is why I'm so happy the way God punish you now. Even if you they wear shirt, they cover them. You they pretend. When you they outside, you they pretend say all is well. All is not well, my darling. All is not well. Tell yourself the truth. Thanks for joining. You're the care crying for 100K. And you went out, baby. And I wake baby Facebook. You're the care crying for everlasting mark. Are you getting me, my amazing people? Let's tell ourselves the truth. How you go come on for your country under you go another country and now prick shift fibroid. Yes, now prick shift the fibroid. That was what happened to her. Now they get me. That was what happened to her. You come out for your country under 24 hours. They call ambulance for you because you don't drink small starts. You go that man house that day. That man day live video. That man where God go bless me with another get quarrel. You day he has. The man they pack different drink. They come outside. The man they pack drink. They come outside. They show you say they tell you which one go give you for inside. You say you know they drink. But when you do video, when I see one video where you cry for dear, where you say your lips can't be past all your body because of paint, you paint mat. I see your bar for there. The kitchen bar. This is where they put for kitchen. Go put that for certain bar. I see the bar say drink there inside. I see NEC for there. I see other cheaper chico drink for there. Who call they drink all those ones? Oibo when I know Oibo know they drink all those things. All those are NEC where they flink us. Oibo know they drink them. Oibo prefer to drink their beer anything. Now the day after. All those gin Oibo know they drink. I said they go mix them with lime and whatever. I get the way they take they drink. If they want drink gin, it go be pure white gin. They'll put lime inside. So Agben is seeing you where you they smoke. They don't want cigar. Akiko they don't want cigar because Quinita don't know say you they smoke. Me I know say you they smoke. She don't know say you they smoke. Me I know say you they smoke. You see that your mat will be safe if they talk your mat they burn. So smokers now. So if person don't to tell where they smoke. If you don't tell for smoke, now so their mat they burn naturally for woman, not be man. You understand? The father take care where we are careful at our age doesn't mean other. Let me read this comment. Now don't say. Let me see. Other women should do same. Wearing singlet and bun short is what that village girl consider. Yes, now my lady, thanks for joining, my lady. Now don't say thanks for joining. Can you imagine? Even a new fan friend now will be Felicia Kia no see a cigar. That one a cigar they smoke. You know they smoke it go. Don't misquote me. Felicia Kia no they smoke it go. Na cigar they smoke. If woman don't too smoke cigar because men where they smoke, they know what it that. I'm not saying men body strong. Women body not strong. Woman where they smoke cigar, where you don't they smoke. You get where you go smoke, rich. Your mouth go come burn because if they want pour that smoke come out. No say if they want pour smoke come out after they don't draw like this. No they watch out for all those Nigerian movie. If they want pour and come out, they need to bend their mouth. Now the style be that. You know if you pour and straight. If you pour and straight, that is like say the smoke will enter their eye. So they need to bend mouth, pour and away. So due to Felicia have been pouring out cigar smoke for a very long time. Now I lead to her having mouth bending. Mona say I should take me about you. Now she don't get mouth bending, not finish there. The leg will remain. The short leg will remain. Where we say if Felicia stand and bottle water stand, you they see bottle water. We make Felicia. The Felicia her leg she go they wear contour bali. No not to be contour bali. All those shoe, all that shoe where she they talk say now so in the buyer for Nenemi Mulan na layo. All those shoes that carton where she bring where she say na guess. That are shoe, not be that carton. If follow come, yes, that are shoe where she bring come on. She brought out Guess carton for loafer shoe for canvas. Maybe now you even get that canvas where we Guess so. And Guess the last time I checked, Guess is the most cheapest shoe brand so far that I know. You see, Guess is the most cheapest shoe brand that I know. If you want no shoe where it costs, many of you know now. If you want no shoe where it costs, shoe like Versace, all those get what they call them, all those Nike, Adidas, especially Adidas. Even though Adidas slippers, it still costs past guess shoe. Adidas slippers, it costs past Nike, that guess shoe. Una they get me. So to know how fake Felicia is, she can't go pack guess her pikin, guess low fast. She can't go pack and come out. She can't they force the eye shoe they put inside. If you watch the video where Kurita do, you'll see that eye shoe, she they force sound they put for inside, you know enter. You know enter. She they force sound. Omalao. Now she can't push the shoe through away. Why the fake life? You even though you know even buy that shoe, that high shoe, all those your high shoes, so you know even buy them from that brand where you talk to you for the buy shoe. You not buy them from there. Because if that man, now that name where you they call so, that Lulu where you they call so, if na they do your shoe, then he not supposed to use guess name for your shoe. He's supposed to put in your name. Lulu, what do you call her? Luluekia, he's supposed to put in your name, Luluekia. His shoe supposed to carry in your name. Yes, in his shoe. Since now na brand person, he get in your brand. Now they make your shoes. His shoe supposed to get in your name, not be guess. I feel even from China. I feel even buy guess from China. I feel buy it from any part of the world. Even Jamie said, I feel order depending on where I see what I like. So how come the guest company they near your house now? There you they now then they do the shoe for you. Say na hard me say na they do it by themselves. Who you they fool? You they crazy? Who you they fool? It all be like now say Versace, yeah. You talk now say shoe where you wear now Versace now produce them. Now Versace they produce your shoe. The shoe go carry Adidas name. Una don't see that kind of thing before. Felicia Kiati say she wise. Felicia Kiati say she go school. Felicia Kiati say she smart. I never see that kind of thing before. I don't see her. That was what she was showing yesterday. She was even fully herself more. I for come outside yesterday. I don't get chance, my people. I was so busy since yesterday. Even now, I just the round up now. With what they do since almost 3 days. Una they get me so. When they show those shoes, they mention that man name. I was just looking at this one, the Chris. Guess where be saying a brand. Guess na brand. They get owner. This one are Italy. Yeah? Italy, no, they use counterfeit. They know they do republish. I be waiting they call on second hand Macau. If you go Italy, you'll be like the time when I did Napoli, yeah? Time I did Napoli. It gets some shoe company for back of train station for Napoli. If you go there, you go see Palmeri, you go see a lot. You understand? Now company they be. Now they get the company of shoe. Even with a lot of people they come they buy all this made in Italy shoe. You get me? Now, if you want to buy their shoe, their company, get what they call Palmeri. That one, they must write Palmeri boots made in Italy. Because they are legalized, they are recognized. Even BB people from Lagos, now they come, they follow they buy things. Rich, all those they video clothes, their shoes. All those people now they follow the buy something go be original. You know, if you see fake there. So their company, you get one they say they call Anthony. That Anthony, so if you see his shoe, if you see his store, now the name of all the shoes where they you must see and say, now Anthony. Thanks for joining, my lady. Peter the best analyzer. Thanks for joining. Good evening. So how come Felicia Akpola where she pack come out? All of them was made by Lulu. At the end, their name na guess. Does that make any sense to Felicia? Felicia, like go buy you. Like go buy you. My shoe na handmade. My shoe na handmade. No, what is the fact that they do shoe na machine made? What is the fact that they do shoe? Na machine made. Not be hand that they do shoe. I be that they see battery made the shoe. Of course, today Italy. Of course, the warehouse of shoes. If you want a shoe, you go there. If you even want your own design, you will show them your design. They will say, come next weekend, come carry on. They will do exactly what you want for you. All those places, I know all those places for Napoli that time. Even inside, there's some part for Avesa. Waiting you come they mumu yourself for now. Come they carry you whole guest carton. They say na Lulu shoe. Lulu not get it. Lulu not get carton. He not getting your carton of shoe. A carton of shoe we carry name. Just they deceive yourself there. This matter now everybody don't come and put their 10 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent. You come out, you want put her for head. You don't die visa saga na 8 year born way and now you cause pepper pass for body. A 8 year born one so. Talk put me when everybody talk their own points. The matter it makes sense or not. Not be say you come out, you want when they talk, say wait till another person they talk, no make sense. Okay, now your whole come sense. Two words wa bu me what what's the nuna one? Or me ne we or senehia. I saw the enemy. Forever and ever known has so the enemy. Wa muno demagwa. Devini bovoa go abana. I saw the enemy of ya ikotwin. Of ya ikotwin. Waiting you carry away road no size. Why are you so bitter about your own cousin? Why? I don't make family baby my people. This Felicia family type, they fig fear now. How can person cousin go just come out for social media, call the find person down for because of jealousy? Because of say Querita build us here, you not build. Because of say you see your hand, she's doing well, you know they do well. Because of say Querita gets black man for house, black responsible my brother. You not get everybody knows say by now you AK Bogune. That one they never they tell person 2 times. AK Bogune, you are passing through a lot, we understand. Share your pain with us so that we know how to help you. To reduce all this your jealousy. And every man that's so. Why muno demagua? Oh yeah, you call one muno demagua. If they come for me, I will come for them. Yeah, video back and who know then I don't just maybe I'll play the video. Guys, if you want me to play the video, just say yes. Let me analyze that video a little because I know be on your mark now. Person will be say, oh yes, for Europe, Ekaya la yue at the age now, see her age. If I brought the day back, if I brought the day back, o mama ge bieba o me vakekan ordinary two o mama ge Felicia kia bieba be no like ya se e wumbu ya eni ya wi awe nene ni tubu e ya wi wekwe and only e kinole la vigo ogado awe nene mi cheche get fathers okay now because of Quinita now you want Congo they do PA they follow Esther. No, you are going close to Esther now to also use Esther the same way you use Lovette. Yes, you are going close to Esther now to also use Esther the same way you use Lovette and Grace. You are going close to Esther, it will not bring anything good to you. Neither to the Esther. It will not bring anything good to you. And then one in Nigeria where you wanna ya misbehave and no say Esther not be Lovette. Esther not be Lovette. How so the enemy or what I mean anyway. Oh, okay, done. That is why if there is anything I like where God do you, now the way God take punish you. Now only that is sweet me. Now I see your life. Cigar don't bring your mouth. Coco shoe where they say you the wear. I read the comments, yeah, just now, cause I watched the video. They say your leg, a weak share, how can you get totally? Because most of the video I not get time to watch this. I'm rewatching them today now. Weak share, they say that akbola where you the wear. Now that is now you go cripple for future. They say crippleness, they wait for you for future. Akikona just anywhere belly she just want to belong, chronic attention seeker. She's not, let me tell you my person here, now don't say my love. Do you know why she's going close to Esther? Before you know it, she want to render a hand of a friendship to Esther. That one go to say she doesn't new friend. Then she will not start to use Esther to say, yeah, do you arrest the family, okay? Do you arrest her? I will just give you the address. Felicia, why can't you? If you really dare your mind to arrest Querita parents, say maybe you won't arrest them for maybe you want arrest them to your satisfaction. Felicia, you don't know their house. Why you not go by yourself? All the people when you first do the first one, when you do, all of them bear grant. You know, remember? All of them bear grant. You know, remember? After enough bad boss, they all confessed. Even the way they take confess is supposed to shock you. But now you're not supposed to involve yourself for all those things. You're not supposed to involve yourself for all those things. Now you bring person papa family address, come and make them go by them. Now you can see go station, go there. I don't know whether you go the right there, which I don't care. Only for you to go give those people Querita parents address alone. You who we are yo. According to a reliable source, now they say you know enter Nigeria, go home wage in Nigeria. Akiko, or how wage in Nigeria. As you did, so I feel insult you, saga you, drag you, flog you, beat you, because you be presenter, my darling. You are a presenter. It's so shameless that now this Europe, I can say people, women, when they say they marry Ibo, they do saga. People, when they, let's assume, okay, we be the black, yeah? Black blood, see, they run through our vein, up and down. Okay, I understand. But why will a woman, when marry Oibo, they do saga? Just to feed. Carry 3 pieces of hair, come outside, they say. Cream where you they say nobody they buy because you say your cream they work. You use that to cover your hand, cover your leg, cover all your knuckles. That's the big point of say your cream not they work. That's the big point of say your cream is not they work. Waiting be your problem. Can you tell us or describe this your particular issue? Describe that to us. What is really your problem? Demagwana. Person wey say you want bring down. The person they go up every day. The person they go up every day. Okay, may I look for a video? Guys. May I come play? People just see they buy. Bina wale so never do. Help Saroboa. God show that don't mess. Innocent boys, they don't just see they go. What be this one so? Guys, I'm coming. No more me thumbs up. Oh, okay. Make I put Felicia video what she do yesterday. Make we listen to her. Make una hear what person they talk. Una hear what human being they talk. What be that name again no. Your comment to thank God. Make we listen to her. Page where you take beat family and friends. Beat this one. At the end, nothing to show. Nothing to show. Ugbashawo, nothing to show. They talk, they say A, if they talk B. Una way talk say, make I define the video, don't delete the video. The only thing where you sabi na bully. Nice sabi. If you over or no that thing not there. Once they bully like this, if I say that okay. Don't be this video now. This video now. Now be this. Guys, one time share me will listen to us more. Oh, listen to her. Gather me okay. Now even no target. The friend go ga. Make I hear you.
See, waiting there. You say this one will start, so me know it has. I know. I'm very expensive. Do you know that my salt is very expensive? If you want, make a computer. If you push me, make a computer with the latest. 2,000 people could watch me. I don't feel break the records.
You said 2,000 people could watch them.
So don't push me. No carry to my me one way out of your body.
They no carry to you.
See that. If I like, I come out today. If I like, don't come out. Me have your bomb today. Total you woman.
No, yeah.
The worst part of it, not the worst part of it. The beautiful part of this matter, I don't look at her. I don't even watch.
Who they watch you?
Where I noticed that she's talking to me yesterday. Abbas needed to tell your parent. Abbas was showing video with another woman say that too far. I they watch this video. I just they watch this video. The two people I just they watch her. Now see my video for them say.
Felicia Kia. Can't use your children head they swear say you know they watch creator. Felicia Kia. Can't use your children head they swear say you know they watch creator. Why fake life? Why the fake life? If you come to say you they watch and they won't flog you. They won't flog you, fairly use. They won't flog you. Why pretense? You, the end shall tell. Who collapse ye back bedi. I know, say for you to go park with Von, come outside, come they say, na hungry reach there. It's not sure for you. Or if not be your brothers where you carry come, where be say they come Europe for visit, they don't see go back. If not be all those your brothers where come help you do plastering. Do plastering and painting of this one house where they renovate this house. Or who were not a son. This your house, Felicia. It be like shit. Not the son of pay workers now where call innovator those things. Now your brothers where you come. Because a big like they help you plaster everywhere. So come help you tell you see the way they tell the arrangers. Who were be 40 years ago, but we maybe arrange your way. Now make you run come out now. Kata say now I'm ready for saga. Now you ready for saga. Okay, we can you make better anyway. The way saga. If you go arrange your house first. Why you not get shame? Why you not get shame? Now you they start to the see person, no person. Oh my mommy, I'm your mammy. Walk past one me or ma. All of us on this media, there are people who know us one way or the other. Ask me your day now, like somebody will come say, because say you know me, you'll come say, okay, we'll go for the same village. Oh. You want even can't talk matter for media, you know, you can't talk truth, you can't lie. You can't lie. Any city where you dey, a backbone where they be up where. If I know if you can't find you, I'll say, make people find you for me. I will do you strong thing. Except if you come out, you talk the truth. Not just stress me. No use me talk. No use me come they like. No be say I go see come and go explain no. But no use me talk. No stress me. No just give me that stress or say I will come to make us say family they find you for me. Can you react when I go moment? Your old guy man I go fuck you up under 1 second. And I will do you strong thing. Even if you know me, I know people. This social media world, there's somebody tell one thing. If I tell now say I get family member for this social media, she's a big presenter. She's a blogger also. See her house. See her house. I don't talk this thing before. She like a parjebo. She also like, I think she dey follow the Monica. She dey support the Monica also. She know me wella. And we know ourselves wella. We all grow together from the same zone. Before everybody come begin they find where they enter abroad. You understand? I never hear one day say she go do shon or she. That is why me too. I know even they talk, they go outside. Sometimes if I see a video, I know they look and say because of which they support or she not they support. Now media, everybody, you get right to your own thing. If I just see a video, I'll put like, I'll pass. If she see my own, she'll put like, she'll pass. Why Felishekia own not be like that? But because of jealousy. Because of jealousy. Felishekia now is now after her own sister. She's not only raised with her own sister. They grow up together. Person wey don't help mama pee gari, help mama fetch water, help mama bring something come. Now if Felishekia they find that person down for. And God, they bless those kind people. And God, they bless those kind people. Not be you they test out of the no person. Not be you. Even governor get paddy friend where be say where you know where be say even if he dey smoke he go sef that one go know say a governor bully but you know talk they your day they do their things. Felishekia wetin you want come talk for us wetin say people never he say queen you they join them they stop Europe tour. No, why will stop Europe tour? I know they join anybody stop Europe tour. Now Esther now they swear for because they use Esther music use copy that square my page now maybe they swear for her. Anything about Europe tour not concern me. Okay? Anything about Europe tour not concern me. Other people can come to Europe tour and God will bless them. But Esther tour soon. Why more show? Amo aburo webona. Esther amo aburo. No see the music. That music so show say na Esther with the tour to not be any other people. No, it's Esther. To me, I don't get problem with any other person, and I will not use my platform to advocate against others. No. Now only Esther also with the never because she be unda. There be sorting other people talking misbehaving. Oh yeah, na monoma koko wa. Oh do ba ashawo yon swen. Ashawo e kodo. Oh yeah, e kodo to vede la erere. So that's for that. So Felishekia or woman for how many years you don't follow your own sister. You no go rest. You use grace, you use the other one. At the end they come beg. They come beg to say I'm sorry. Iye don't hold, Baba don't hold. We are not supposed to do this kind of a thing. All of them beg grand because right from the day you use them to commit that atrocity. Their conscience started fighting them. Their conscience started fighting them. Grace of all people bring herself down. You understand? Grace of all people. She not even reason and say, oh, she gets more money, or she be this person, or she get platform. She bring herself down to kneel down and beg a Baba with say make them no verse. Felishekia, after you don't do all these things, you don't go beg. You don't go beg those innocent parents. Where you gather community and society for their head, you don't go beg. You don't go. All the rest don't go beg. They are not doing fine. You see, they see Lovette for live video. You think that she know they do saga, so she know they enjoy. She they enjoy. But see your life. 24 hours from Italy to Germany, they call blast for you almost 2 times. Those are the signs. Those are the signs. God is warning you. Go and repent. Your mates go from now. Your mates said they from Libya, they come Nigeria, they come Libya, they cross on Europe. Yo, now you not be saying you use leg work out. You just sit down for inside motor, motor carry you, je. You understand? Okay, I'm coming, guys. Make I block this person. You don't go to comment for my. Okay. Why I go to comment here? Okay, now good comment. Una they get me, my amazing people. People they from Nigeria, they use leg, enter Libya, suffer all those roads, they'll cross or see enter. Ordinary you from Italy to Germany, you collapse. You collapse. The day where you go collapse again and you don't wake up, they'll say, hey, why they don't know say that the evil mind where you carry con life or boa. They don't know say that the evil mind where you carry con life or boa. Look all this presenter, who should they not get family? We should, even Frank with the family, not they play. A lot of people, how many times you don't hear say their family, you call carry, they come outside for media? You are not even ashamed of it. You should show your nonsense face for this just cyber space. All your friends now, so you betrayed all of them. All your friends, where they around you betraying ya Felicia Kiana Kiko. You betrayed all of them. If I were you, I go the shame. Because your shame and disgrace went viral. It go viral. The whole world saw it. How useless a woman can be. She betrayed her own sister. If to say maybe na boys now where they join something now, you see and say, one for don't buy one. One for don't buy one. You are not ashamed. Now you don't already go to meet Esther. You don't already go meet Esther. Why are you going to Esther now? Because you want to use Esther. Esther now yes, now boy yasi. Because we stood by her on this media. We fought for her. If she like what she gonna say, I tell you, I can't fight. The same way when she say they talk Kana for that, the way she do video say, who go fight for me? And not send now, make on another one. I wish now so she take talk 2019. Maybe nobody for even near where they won't buy herself. Nobody for even near where they won't buy her because she come at 2019, they cry. They cry like whose strength don't finish her body like who won't collapse. She was in pain. And a lot of presenters say, no, this kind of thing not good. Monica, this person where you they beat, so this person not get strength, not go buy her. Leave her alone. People stood for this useless, ungrateful Esther. People dragged Monica. It took years to Wolo Monica, Wolo Esther come out from Monica's hand. Before Monica could finally leave Esther. Before Monica leave Esther, she make one promise to say, anytime where Esther take saga una for this media, I go join her saga una. That was what she said, because why we not give her that opportunity to buy Esther. We not give her opportunity to buy Esther. Even many audio there where Monica cannot come play that time because we show her on those audios. We let her know, say we don't need it. At the end, what did she take pay us? She even put copyright for her music. She can't even they tell other musicians, may they go put copyright for their music. Why am I copyright to your music? Why am I copyright to your music? Like Grace woman, you never see money before. You don't build us, your eye don't open, you want more. But you forget some people, they will never even get one by two. Ungrateful fellow. Now, Felicia Kia won't go meet her. Because grace don't chase them away. Grace don't chase Felicia Kia away. Because Felicia Kia, because they call grace, grace don't shout for the for video. Where they want to say, he no feel receive any calls again. Those yeah message those days now because he no see now depression, he no get person where they take care of. Now she have children where she they take care of. She have children. Children get children. Not be one, not be two, not be 5. 6. She no need to come out, leave those children. Because anything can happen. She's already a public person. She had to deal with those children 247 before they give the food. Person must there to test the food. Whether anything there. Because even the graves get a lot of enemy. Where for both inside politics, inside their church politics, and outside our environment, she get a lot of enemy. So she now she focus on her children. Felicia Kia go they call Grace. To say, Rita saga you. Rita arrest is saga you. Go arrest your mama again. Arrest the where neither one do video pursue and say, I don't have time for that nonsense where they call me for. I will not be taking you guys call. I'm very busy. I have children to take care of. You see, Grace is not living for her children. You don't get time for all those messages again. Now Felicia Kia now can't divert now. She can't go stay care side. If Esther do anyhow for Nigeria there, or you will we away. If she do ping for Nigeria there, all she will we away. You know, go enter this Europe again for life. Any city, any country, anywhere, he go they play, he go they show. He go they play, he go they show. For you to advise her, you don't carry your wishi go there. Felicia they shame. You not be small people 50 years old. 50 years old. See your life now. At your end now, you go, why now? They not go see Monica, you go Africa. Your children, when you born, they don't know their history. They don't know where they come from. They don't know their cousins. You don't let those children flow with their cousins. You don't let them flow with their nephew. You don't let, even the children don't know their mama village in Nigeria. At the end of the day, you see your life. You go by now. Children there with you, but they can never go back to Africa. They not go know your forefathers. They not go know your grandparents. Nothing. Where what go Jenna? My sister. Because at this your age, very soon now, you also reach the age where they say they want to go back to Africa. Your children are not going with you. They'll be white man children. Or you not go release the children for you. The Nigeria. Nothing to achieve. Nothing. Your future will be so pained. Like your future will be very few. That is frustrated future. Now they are with you. Because Oibo children not go there to take care of you. Now you go they take care of them. Due to SSA kianu vio wunupo ashawo. You no go fit do too much. You no go fit do too much. Thanks for joining, my love, Jenny love. Thanks for joining. Thank you, my love. Let me thumbs up this video. When I thumbs up and share. Based on Asha, because see your life now, you don't already they collapse, they stand up. Imagine when your children don't go out, don't go school, go where their daily life, where collapse it baby. You go they collapse, they stand up. Who want to for you? So finally you can't buy. Now we the adults that will still come and say, one of our adult sisters don't buy at the age of 50. Or maybe God put small numbers journal for you, but though you don't old. You understand? The kind old way you old, you be wicked old woman. Wicked one where ziba and what ziba. You understand? So your pine go be like foul pine. You understand? Now the customer will call the nigga. Thanks for joining, Honorable Vicky Tosho. You don't catch me. Thanks for joining. How you there, body? Una they get me. How your side na long time no so. Eh? The kind pine where you open, if you say will be a kungo, you wagawa ulala newa. Eh? As a cigagu. As a cigagu felishekia. What's your name? You a bena? As so telling me now you the tester say person they know person. What's woman I here? I ask you. What's woman I? They never see no person before. Felishekia. I call the ass so telling me. He says, "Smile, thank you, my sister. Thank you."
I will never see her. Do you know I don't watch anything she say? Odawi iye kitayano. Iye kana mi ita iye ever na Odawa eno at my back.
Why you no coffee?
She can't say anything in my front.
He said not for your back. He said she can't say anything. Wait, since you know now, say she talk anything to not get to you, then why you see the online video? Why you see they do parable? Eh, sister, no war. Okay, I tell me where sister. But at your age, 50, you yeri born my person. Abi u kyo logo Felishekia. U kyo logo. Wolo wena. Waena. Vinya fianwe. Azaka sale noa. Azaka sanya fianwe. Because these women, I don't know, this life, my people, nothing there. You see this life, nothing there. The only time you get now, as we just deliver, so enjoy yourself, take care of yourself, make friends as you can, make peace as you can, especially when you don't the age. Especially when you don't the age, because you don't have more time to correct your wrong. You don't have more time to correct your wrong. So the only time you have left, you have to manage it wisely. How can a almost 53, 55 years old woman, how can she be fighting her own blood sister, my people, because of views, because of jealousy? She go come and say that one they do saga, but you too they do saga. Saga is being done in different ways. There are some people that will just they analyze. You get like one lady, is it Madame Juliet that they call her, yeah? Madame Juliet. If you see that woman for road now, you ask her, she go say she know they do saga. Why? Because she know they do but that woman they do saga. She they do saga. Her own saga na cool. She they tease person. You understand? She they tease person. Now they watch that woman video. A lot of people like her. I believe so. Now no Madame Julia. That woman will come and go up a picture from one place. You yourself sit down. You they talk. You feel salash. You they talk. You know. Now own way of saga be that. It's not saga. You get. We also get another one where we say if you carry person video, like those ones where they easy they do so. Na saga. Yes. Na saga. A lot different people get the way they take they express themselves. We when we see they sit down and they analyze issue, they come out boldly, they talk, you understand. Our own as still saga. Does that make people where they suffer, they put picture from one place, they blog? Does that make them more better than us? No. No. You understand? The difference is just that they're not even, most of them, they're not even the online video, they're not they talk on live video. Their own are to just drop short video. And if you be person when they drop short video, if you notice, most of my short video, I hardly insult people. I'll just go straight to the point. I'll just hit the point and I'll come out there. Now they get me. I'll just hit the point. I'll just leave that place. But when you do live video, you need to explain more better. And you go on they see things clearly. Like as I play Felishekia video now, you understand? You go they say somebody they try to play smart on the other person. And the thing go on they vex you. Now they lead to that insult. Guys, I'm coming, okay? Let me take this call. Hello? Yeah, good evening. Me? Me? Where? How? When? Like how long? Because I don't remember. How many years? How many years you don't last? You said? What? No. I don't know. I don't know what they talk. So my people, this person where you call me, I don't know the person. You understand? So let's continue. Now, Felishekia as a household enemy, yeah? She came to media. Let me tell you something what Felishekia do. What make me the verse for her. When Felishekia come on media, my people, media, it does have a space big. It big. There are people that they cook. Some people they do content with their family, with their children. You understand? It does have a space big. You can just come and do anything you like to build your page. Now, Felishekia come at those cyberspace with no content idea. All right? She came to Edo cyberspace with no content idea. She did sell cream that time. All right? She did sell cream and she was afraid to almost a lot of presenters. She don't even see anyone where she call say, oh, please help me to promote my business. You understand? She don't see anyone where she fit say, please help me to promote my business. You get? Now, she can't see say, okay, since Queen Rita get platform, she was now wanting Queen Rita to help her to promote those cream. And Queen Rita no one expose her to the public, say she na his sister, because she know that they will bully Felicia. For Felicia own good. Now they get me. For Felicia own good. Because Queen Rita think she was doing Felicia good, at least make they not call the bully her, make they not call the drag her, make they not call the, So Queen Rita not just come talk, say, oh, she get friend, now she get sister, Felicia na sister. Queen Rita not talk, but a lot of inside that way Felicia don't go tell, like people like the Ivie and others, they know that Felicia na Queen Rita's sister, but Queen Rita not talk. Could you believe that thing called the verse Felicia? You understand? That thing called the verse Felicia. And Felicia called they look for a way to take come out for media, to take talk, say, so person like this, I know I'm more. You get? So person like this, I know her. Now my sister. At least, there are different ways to introduce yourself. Even if you decide to say, okay, Queen Rita now gets publicity. You want it inside, they say your cream will not work for your skin. They say when you do it. You understand? Now, based on she belongs to Monica group, she don't want to offend Monica. Then she can't come out, can't insult her own sister. And she can't feel say, nah, play. You see? She be one just do and say play, make she just steal small publicity. But the whole thing can't escalate. The whole thing can't escalate. Felicia now end up with publicity go wrong. Her name on this media remained household enemy. No suppose she go take wash on. Anywhere we go, no feel remove her. She's a household enemy. And this kind of person, you get her as friend wrong because if she can do a thing like this to her own sister, the one way go do you, now go worst. The one way she go do you, now go worst. Are you getting me? Now Felicia come media. Nothing where she not talk. Now so this one happen. Now so that one happen. You understand? Now so Felicia can't they talk for the media. If not be people for this, those cyberspace where you can't shame and say, which kind human being with this? Oh, now they may shame you. Wow, your own sister. Now they give her asshole enemy. Till tomorrow, her name is asshole enemy. Now they give her. And now no say asshole enemy get prayer where they everybody they swear for them. All of una where they look me every not the one that they pray, one and not they pray for now. So the enemy, may God pay them for now. She happens to be one. You see? Anything. How can Felicia go they give address to where old parents they live? Who she want impress? Okay, since when she come to the tina, what did she see for inside? The full family now are going forward. Now only she she remain where she did. Now she feel organized parlor now. She don't they do video, they show Coco shoe. How many years for Europe? Now Coco shoe you won't show. Almost 30 years for Europe. Now Coco shoe you can't show us. Felicia. No, you don't go meet Esther. Esther na be your party. Esther, where they fight Edward. Normal person go no say Esther no be Esther na bad person. Woman where you feel the woman where they say you Esther was a friend to Edward. For those of you where no. Esther was a friend to Edward. Now Edward they do Esther here. Now through Edward salute. Now the man tell see Esther. Now the man tell listen to Esther music before the woman turn face. Esther they care you. Esther also betrayed Edward the same way Felicia betrayed her sister. So you see, say two of them fit. You see, say two of them fit. These two people where you they see so. All these things where you say that they do say karma not. You see Esther today now. All these things that Esther is passing through is karma. If person tell me say me go dislike Esther this like this, I go slap that person better slap. But today even if I did downstairs, I hear Esther music. Say they play for the race when me go run come off come remove her. You even they say he now so you can't hate this one because before I be just like her, but when I can't know her, I say a lot of things they will make me hate Esther. For those of una where they talk say what she do, may I tell una many things the way she do. Dragging husband with a word, he say no for me. I don't like it because me no go green her for myself. As I did now, I can't suffer follow man for years. One woman can't come from nowhere. If you even look at now, Esther benefit from that man past the first wife. The only thing the first wife gain are that hair business which they do. But if not be that man, Esther for not they come Europe today. Esther for not make money build house. Esther for not they live lavish life where be say she can't they swear for her helper. She they swear for herself. Say her helper has not sabi dress. Me man look money is your man you understand? Una they get me some amazing people. So for you to they bite the finger that fed you, who can be we where they play the music? When Esther no go feel insult. I hear somebody talk just now say, as soon as I talk, Esther de Verona. Do you know that show is a free show? Do you know that nobody buy tickets? No be to they do video where five girls they dance, they show all those girls they show nyash, you know, we both they remove clothes, but not be by that one that they talk. No be by their life. Nobody talk say make it not go Verona. Wait till they talk say, no go spray, don't spray. Don't buy tickets. The show is ticket free and don't spray. It not go come before. You know since what they don't book her for the show. She must come. She go come, she go stand there, she go sing, she go play. Or Mudiagbe wo ene okpa. Say the juju where she don't still carry juju come. Where she go take rob this night, come outside, come take pack una money. If not, where do you want go spray her for? Where till she want sing for una for? Why una still they listen to this juju woman music? But mommy want pay YouTube. Una no raise una children with Christian better music. This Esther character na go green make una children get this character. Go see children they insult investor. They insult investors, they insult children. Esther children, not only they insult investors, they insult innocent children. Now, because of saying investor, now I see go they follow do that one. May they tell una now, say, see my picture for you, even if this picture too far. Mona twist and I'll tell Ben, told me to cripple, who I'm where, and then I'll tell organize the picture. Mona organize, Mona go post as una they bully investors, so una they post pictures or una they post self-love. Go and post my picture, DFS. Go post my picture. May I let una know, say, now una go first start. Una no say me, I know the first start. Now you first start. Your man grand pikin, that your man grand pikin so this one when RYP yo. That's more than only why we say the songs where they inside this one. Ya say go boni where you know I will start to the right. I will start to the pack their picture. People where spray for your mama for party. I will start to the pack their picture. Yeah, when RYP, I'll just budget one of my page for all those one. He picture can wanna post. I go use her for straight one. Go reach the pastor where come pray for your mama house the day where she open house. He be RYP where pastor. Where Mary? That place where they go they play so. All Sacablanca, everywhere go spoil. Everywhere go spoil, go sour. Una the get people wanna they follow do all those. They do why me I did you only I see on Facebook now. I just see them one place relax. Nobody don't carry a picture. The other boy the same thing. But now they post people picture. And the man they look face to shower. As my they look face so why face. You understand? As una just dey do face because now na even get boku picture. Yes. Now una get boku picture, now una dey go party. Now una get friends. Now una get people. Only makame. For having ya manifigo wa. All those people where they spoil is one biya. General saga, okay, general saga. Anybody I see with una beat that or ibo na gada that sipa ka go. Imu ba is one gbe imu wa kugbe. Iya misu wa be na misaku. Because you know call me there, say you won't teach me my job. Never. Never. Nonsense. Now I feel okay. See Felicia Kiana where be say she not get picky where she want to go Nigeria last we go to give her water drink. She dey tell Esther say Vivi well adian. So you as those you know the way where they swear for all those children as they just small so if Esther head strong you did say those children head strong. Felicia Kiana oh you want to destroy Esther now you don't like Esther Sha you not like her you want to destroy the Esther you know they do her good you don't know say social media wish they another person they you know how many native doctors they want saga. You know how many native doctors they support this Esther? Say no to Esther coming to Europe tour. Do you know how many? When you have Vivi as presenters do sagari, they put their children's ass. I have them. It took us time to remove children's swear from this media. But when not Vivi, now people where they've now people where they put the turtle, they turtle. And you are polite in your obey. If I go be like fee for their eye, go they play, go they show. You go they play, go they show. I have a boyfriend here, you have any other do. And you are calling me. Now, me first talking for this media say, as son, don't give woman belly. Not be me talking. After like 4 months, my conscience say they carry picking. When I remember the time when I talked to her about she and Edward that time, where I sang a call of copyright. Now they talk say, as son, don't give woman belly. How many of you remember people when they follow that they will know that saga that time? You understand? Now, yeah, one sit down, so you have your matter wagon. Small children, they see there for hookup program. Unu bo waje. Unu bo waje. Even if say maybe that is more not even wish una serve that kind of thing to go end up for hookup show. The street one they may not dey. A city wa you before I come up for Nigeria, I not get small children relationship. All those small children love where we say that they write letter inside class. They mama just baba well. When they write letter inside class, they throw for each other. Why them in your glove? Now not get small children that is. Guys, where be say why men salo bana ko man this virgin ya baba do pona this virgin wa na me ibiekana we need this virgin wa na me yan e baba wa le hook up here una no even shame say ma wait this virgin na go soon for hook up show bamigo you wa there is which celebrity they do that kind of thing how many celebrity Iyabo Ojo this one so una don't see their children once for hook up show una don't see am ogu wa na wo see as go take end una say na if they saga na the vera na some people go see saga na take grow. Yes, now. As na the vada, na so the saga na the vada. No. As na the vada, na so the saga na the vada. Now the both sides they benefit. Nobody lose. Na so saga before saga nobody they lose. Nobody they lose except say person where you bring when you the saga maybe na person will be say really guilty. You understand? It is guilty. And Lady Jenny Love say Queen Abeko. No, because make they look first. Because if they carry that they have this thing come me, I go use pictures. I go make them tired them. All those in winter where they go they carry, I'll let them know so now maybe see you off in winter. Then I'll dedicate my time for them. So okay, be a kind. I will that is not be say they'll go they saw small children. One man get grandchildren. When I even get small brothers for us. I'm going to really I posting he said none of Asikpa Aka pikin go school. Now only the last born go. Now go manage go school. Oh, the boy where they inside, yeah? Imagine. Only way look and win ya fefe. That one see different for inside themselves. That one see look, you see different for their body. Yeah, sipa. The Frankie waiting here ya zemunyari at the age of very early age. Or what zen ya munyaria? Nyaria zen ya. They do like wish. Not people say, listen to me, guys. Not be say maybe for some people they feel say, oh, those children because some people they saga their mama, those children they come they fight for their mama. Now some person they fight for mama. So if me now say I want fight for my mama, now so I will take fight for mama. I will define hookup program one want stay. I go make money. I not go feed give man. She the ordinary basic education. God forbid. We go for the we go for the year. Say una university yes now. Actually the UK for ego sono. Can you imagine? Wait till she teach those children are just ashawo lazy now she teach them. You know say when we they talk yeah there are some time you know say we like this now you know say when family born like this when there is some family where we for come money not too day for everybody to go school yeah money not too day for everybody to just go school You get, but my junior ones, we get a lot of graduates. When me dey human, I not go university, but I finished my secondary school, yeah. I not finished university also. Now they get me. Now, at least, if the way I tell they do, the way I tell they behave, people understand. So, oh, this girl, she dey okay. You understand? At least I dey okay. You not fit see me when they exhibit those characters where those children they do, because those children are so shameless. When they say, even me go they watch them, I go they shame say, mona here, be a can here. Because one single shame, you know, they their eye. One, when I mean one single shame, area. Though your paint smart, small children were never supposed to the paint smart. Though they don't the paint smart, they don't the raw pancake. Children will say they're supposed to the fight now with homework. With homework. Mama don't know anything, children don't know anything. And when you go there, even 1 million, they not sabi cook, nothing. The senior one way they said that one don't remove belly like 14 times. Now make una see a breast made logo like a wetty tip a mash. Like wetty tip a mash. Oh. Say Stephen Olodo, Sarah Olodo. Yes, now Daniel Olodo, very shameful, as rich as their mother claims. Yes, she not get any money. And they tell you now, so they say Mitty where she did before she come Europe, she don't borrow 8 million for inside Mitty. Now she take back ticket to and flow. To say if she don't come Europe, come use Juju pack people money, she'll go back home, go pay back Mitty money where she for borrow. Can you imagine? Nah. She don't borrow Mitty money now. Don't already know. So okay, now Europe people heard she'll take some money to pay that money back. But now we she see the insult. Me, I will not allow anybody insult Europe people, because waiting most of us pass through because of family for Africa. If now they day your shoes, they no go do it. Them no go do it for you. Now they get me. So Esther have been doing this thing for a very long time. Esther have been insulting Europe people. We know they talk. She go studio, go sing nonsense. We know they talk. But I believe, say, with this hand, where they take touch her now, if she dey write her music, it's a like tipper mash, not be mash. Like what tipper mash, yeah? Test of Johnny Mary Osase. They do breast like what tipper mash pass. And then when it's a money tipper go away. Now they get me. If she can't go studio now, she wants to sing, she go know what to write. If she want to do anything now, she go know what to do. She go use her sense. She go use her waiting her sense. A life in sometimes it's good to humble yourself. Pride come before fall. The praise where people they give Esther, oh Esther, hey Esther, he enter her head. She started misbehaving. She started doing anyhow. You see? And pride come before fall. She feels say people too like her, they don't feel bring her down, but today she's down. How many people they play her music? If how many presenter can stop your music, then you go nowhere. Believe it or leave it. If how many, okay, why Augusta not blow? Why Ogama not blow? Even this music where they sing for her, so it blow past our own Augusta sister ma. Now they get me. It blow past that Augusta Felicia where you would have do so then me in a you they don't go me test and I know your plan what you want to go use and do, but don't forget that if you use Esther to do nonsense, actually they already the UK self. I am your man Jasan Beswe. You understand? Actually also do the UK. Yes, na Marwe, Igbona Marwe, very nonsense somebody. Make I play a song for me. Yeah. Share the video, my people. And so you see, in her Edo history, in all Edo movie industry, all those celebrities, all of them, for their history, see, so that they act, that they sing. How many of them don't ever experience this shame and disgrace? In not day. You see, huh? Esther no kati. Then you need to face the shame and disgrace. Oh yeah, to Zeri can no one way. Ne me yak my na where I don't know that they talk and ya zu yo kiare. A shame and disgrace in the pass through a period in any case. Yama we don't reply another UK. I said the song too sweet. He wanna mahanga pay. All their music where they go put copyright. We don't finally get music. On a mahanga we video. On a mahanga pay make we video. So be go tell we bona. Ma bega yi. Settle down go. Yeah. And then God, the talent God gave me to serve humanity. How are you serving humanity? Do you know what is humanity? How are you serving humanity with your selfish, greedy interests? At the end, you end up with shame and disgrace. No go come and not get that molester. Listen to your music. Music when all your colleague, your actress, none of them, musicians, none of them have experienced this shame and disgrace. Now only you. Why? Because ebo or the boy. Ebo no mama no or the boy. When yes you well. You know what the yato boy. When you don't put me yato boy. I'm where I put on now. I say what I go.
That's not my neighbor. Don't stand on senior dog.
Senior dog.
Don't stand on my bow. If you don't need a weapon, don't be a man. I couldn't know.
I say I go.
Don't stand on senior dog. That's another backward.
Somebody say, my lady, Nado say, if she really believe God gave her the talent to serve humanity, why she they do juju? You see her? You see? She believe on juju pie. Now this shame and this grace where you enter her head, now she come by the phone say she be Christian. Which Christian? They not get a church. She with investor they play for years. You not tell that, you not the investor say go swear. She not Esther Namasen Alena. She go swear for that one enemy. She hide down. If not be God where push her out that day to come talk where she sleep, who for no say she go swear for herself? Who for no say she go swear for herself? Who for no? A woman that is bitter. This like they not say person not the quarrel. If you and person quarrel, that is why you see me on this social media side. So I don't saga people. People don't see saga me. You understand? I know they go for not come for me. If you come for me, a saga can work. If you like talk, say where they for race me. Hey, this you die, you die. You never, you know, you go there. My own saga, go there very strange to you. Like you never experienced that before, and you never see it coming. Now they get me. See her shame and disgrace now, and she is a liar. When Esther talk about copyright, she said, "Now let me read and I put copyright for her video." But that day when she called the confess, she want talk. She say, "No be ole Querita." It doesn't know what they tell the person that they call. She be innocent person where use good mind support Esther. They will repa. When she drop post after we don't beat her black and blue and green and color different color beats, she drop post say she want consaga Iyore. She drop post say she want consaga Lolo. Now she will dey wait for so. Tito di o mai laji on lela wa. Small pikin. Oboka we yan ariema. Ori mi ema unwe ya na solo wa. You know your information where Frank don't bring come. Frank say she dey body. Frank also thought say she sleep with Osai no man say we. Frank also thought say she what he talk again oh. And he said she they do trafficking. He said Esther they do trafficking for Delta State. Say Esther they from Benin they pack guests. Our young ghetto guests of your area UK. They all those small children. I believe that all those sets where they sing follow her. If we be a twin, you not go they find your picking for her. Say your picking or you never see her for hotel. Esther, now in the park they go Delta State in Yabasha with Delta State. Frank said that the husband now he won't give her the connection, but he reject her. He reject her. Say the man tell her say if they don't say money where you go they make. Say the man get friend for Delta State where he get big hotel. So that big hotel, then I will come follow guest talk for Benin. Say we will put you for hotel where you they make money. So money like this money they you tell you they make big money. Then a week will they share na 50-50. Get away be say you not get support, you not get anything. She be they go. That one talk. He said she dey pack girls they go UK, Delta State for prostitution. Government need to look into those matters, investigate all of them. Because I know Frank they lie sometimes, but this particular ones when just they talk since all these days. Now truth he they talk because why he was close to the family. He was the right hand man of the man. Alright? Frank was the right hand man of the husband of Esther. Frank worked for them for years. He know the in and out. He already talk and I say on the 28th of this month, now he want start to play audio. Make a look to this date. Today is today now 26, 27, 28. Next tomorrow, maybe 28. Now he want start to play audio to confirm some words. I know say by this time now, Frank they arrange those audios. You want to play audio of wetin they go on. How the man say they carry industry people. Industry people, una supposed to go the raw powder for right now. And many of una see opportunity now to take come out. Una lie low. Una supposed to come out. Una supposed to showcase una self. Una supposed to use this bass now promote una movies. If you be musician, use this period promote your music. You know see Egogo Sophie singing music. You know see Stylish singing music. You know see Omoege singing music. Some of una still dead there. Una dey shake. Una dey shake. Una dey shake. Nobody go know una. Una dey shake for them. If everywhere me yaga una will shook this side. So far you no find trouble. Sing your music come out. If you like sing and may relate to what they go on. So far now you stop presenter. Why you stop presenter? You career where now you know your teacher the joke, but now the truth I just tell you. If na movie answer saga continue part 1 and 2. Saga continue part 1 and 2. You go see everybody will go watch am. If they don't act movie, your saga part 1 and 2. If I say because if they reach there, you answer a true life story. It must not concern with what we presenter. You understand? But you go just relate to this. How person take they get respect like this and now we not get respect. How do you take the fear when a lot of topic everything they want to use now just come outside. Mona shine. Why we friend one worry yeke no ye bo mi wasa. No ye bo mi wasa. Some of una do mu name na good pass na holy pass. Esa no jobo jewa bu no say na thief. Data we ma ye nyikaga data we ma we gbe we te wo seti bowa. Data ma ye bo mi wa ya sta wo te wo seti bowa. O seti do adisivi man re we bo do mi Michael. Mona no shout as una just na ve bo de gbe na. Where we bo your way but trained with the opportunity. Why God wa? If you be musician, don't even talk. If that is what I say, if you don't need problem, don't talk to presenters. Because but when you come out to say, you act small movie, let it relate to what they go on. So if na Esther, even beat her, make you use her trend. If you get Esther secret, bring her come. Now what they easy do at that time. Now make the easy viral. Now make easy viral today. Now she easy take viral. Now she Gloria wasted her own publicity. Only go koni awe pot no gbese mo makpe. A lot more trend with Esther. Mona tell women on the phone they do friend because if now she go trend with una. And how she tell they trend with una? If una they pass through those problems, say maybe anything where concern una boyfriend come bring una matter come media or anything, and husband go follow back, go call that presenter, put lie put. You understand? Lie put. They will come make her look say even that person where something they happen to that time na Esther enemy. Now so the person fed Esther like this. Now so you not like Esther. Now so you understand? And she go come they use that publicity to the trend. They okay, oh this girl not really like Esther. Our body who Esther use Esther real trend. If you not understand me, they make her tell una see they go. You be artist, you don't need Esther. You don't need her. You don't need to wash plate for her. Not be she good part. See her music. You don't need to wash plate for her before you get there. Use her trend. People will know you. So far you shall be sing. So far you know what you do. Put God in anything you do. Now they all of them they are back. Now can't line up for her back. Who are front? Una the forbid front. Eh? No be say una be saga. No be presenter. Una be talk like okay. I presenter no. Artist, actress. What una they do for Esther back? At the asuna. Uwa obi yekesta. Una first the forbid camera. So just they will be say there sabi art. Wait. But you know na set la video. Even short content. Una no they see a go. This saga where they go. So now how much go don't use and chop. Una know how many times they don't send they go 500,000, 600,000 for UK. Una know see how much be that. Una know the one where they give. You sing the music. The music they viral. Growing. And it's growing. Some of you are there. Una fit do more than Egogo. But una there page. Una not fit build on a Facebook page. How people go to see you? Not be said those people where they see so. Yes, my darling, not to say yeah. Now they get me. Those people when they see so when they see say they front line so now because they come out for media. Now through media people tell know them. If they go show they video run. Egogo before me not even know Egogo before. Now when I start to the see her for show, first the video run I start it. It be like I start the video run yes. I start to the like Egogo from Stalio live on stage. Now I start to the know Egogo. Now consider start to the follow and now they play a song they you know. You see? If you don't come out, you don't show your face, I don't know you. Eh? Why go why me cool? They no man ya me cool without you don't know you some of them never even they use phone where they use WhatsApp. Who they abroad? Did you say go from abroad they call you no a direct call? We know they call direct call now WhatsApp call with they call for here. Person go they find your contact you 5 years ya gwa am mwe taziari gwe mu stage na gwa lo muva na gwa lo we mu ku na do e fo go ayiraba gbale nokia e welo. You know if you say if na one of your instrument you sell and take go get better Android phone. First thing you need good Android phone, good network for your vicinity, your house. That house where you define network where they strong there. They use them, create WhatsApp. Always there online, at least, even if maybe data, but they enter at least 6 times a day. So that who drop message, maybe 1 hour time, you see the message, you reply. And if you see offer, later again, like that. If you go show, video your show. If you play guitar, video, let people see that qualities in you. Even if you say you not get it, like just wait here. Your helper go from abroad, see you go buy you. One person from abroad can buy you instruments. Mona not the line of West back again. Mona come off for back. Esther ma bon. Only she dey shine. You know what Mona shine. Why tag bon hun for you all of you confront. Everybody the video. If your wife they cook video now, not they say go for that content where go they do so is the most richest content. If not be now where Facebook not they pay again, you know how much go for don't make. You know how much go for don't they ready to build that way pass that down. If for don't ready to, do you know how much content they pay? And if they viral more. If you bring music, then go tell you fast. Imagine person where you can't get like 500,000 followers. If you drop music for YouTube, if you pin out for you, say okay, my fans, and please go to my YouTube. I just released a new single. Before they go dark, person where you get 500,000 followers, you not get they be make 20,000 from there, not go view. Before you know, imagine you get 500,000 live streamer from YouTube. You know how much you go carry. Now that one Esther they achieve where be say called the bench. If not be say with the verse or her, if not because of say with the verse for her, because we don't already decide say all those YouTube, Facebook, all of them they go down. Even if it take 2 months, 3 months, all of them they go down. May go back to that village way for Pon. May go there no ya mugbowa. Emma see your way. You understand? So if you are there, now you go shoot yourself for our eye. We not go see you. Now Europe we not go. We not know village road. They about to you understand? You also get one guy say, where their matter fear me now when they buy camera for Etiko.